This video is all about my favorite greenhouse, located in Northwest Ohio. We will check out the inside, see what I bought, and follow how my purchase worked out for me. But first, so here's what I bought at my favorite greenhouse. I bought this Meyer lemon, total experiment. I'm apprehensive about it. I've wanted to try it before. However, it was always out of a catalog and I didn't feel too good about that with shipping. I bought two 4th of July. 4th of July tomatoes, and I bought 6 ever-bearing strawberries for Mom. That's what she wanted for her birthday. Yes, I could have probably done this myself if it was planned, but she's 75. This is what she wants. This is what she gets. I'm going to put this into my greenhouse. All right, here we go, guys. They are all in the greenhouse. I've got some other things going in here. These marigolds are doing sensational. And the melon back here are doing great too. I use this just to brace because it's really light in case we have a windstorm. May 4th, Northwest Ohio, Zone 5, and we have had a horrible gardening pre-season, but I think it's safe enough. I think we're past all of the frost and the crazy little spurts of snowing. I can get these strawberries into the ground for Mother. Her birthday is in a few days. All right, May 4th. You can see these are all the new strawberries here. This is it, guys. We'll follow these along as it comes along. All right, it is May 9th, and I am going to trim these 4th of July tomatoes. We're starting to get a little tomato right here. So when I plant them, I can plant them up the stem a whole lot more, especially this one. This one's really curvy. It's gonna need some more support. But I wanna go ahead and trim these and these suckers to where I'm not putting in anything freshly cut. I wanna give it a week for this to heal up, so we do not introduce any disease or infection. Hey guys, it is May 12th. I am back at HOENS once again. I need some flowers for my wheelbarrows, and I might be a greenhouse addict. Hey guys, this is all that I bought at the greenhouse today. Just one flat. I've got these gorgeous hot pink impatiens for my full shade area, which that's all it can really take. And look at how gorgeous these vinca are. I'm gonna put this for my a little bit more sunnier spot wheelbarrow. I'll flash you a picture of last year's. They were just perfect and gorgeously rounded. And I'll see if I like these instead. But, I mean, God, that's gorgeous. Look at how well these strawberries are doing in here. Let's pick this one. This one looks nice and ruby red. Came off so easy. Doesn't look too dirty. I think I'll try it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Starting to stain my fingers. Excellent. So here's her June bearing strawberries, which are all along the edge here. Right here, they're starting to ripen for us. And look at all of these down here. These are just going to fill in nicely for her in a couple years. Look at how well these 4th of July tomatoes did for us. Oh, are they not excellent? Here we had a little bit of water problem. Go ahead and get that picked. I'd like to make a sandwich and maybe a little bit of salad today. And put that down real quick because I also want this one. Excellent. So these are 4th of July's. These are the only thing here that's ready at the moment. I'm going to give you just a little taste of the garden. This is some Pat Patty Peter Pan hybrid squash and zucchini. And you can kind of see that down there. There's another little baby one starting to form. These Cracker Jack marigolds. started from seed in a little greenhouse with egg cartons. I am trying 6 new varieties of fancy schmancy tomatoes that I got from Baker Creek, all from seed, all started in my little greenhouse. More of those marigolds. We've got some wildflowers, California poppies, cilantro, which I cannot live without, some sunflowers here, some basil, and these gorgeous violas. Here's our vinca down here. And this is my driveway. We've got a giant Belgian tomato, black krim, all from seed, another marigold, and all of these melons, all from seed, all started in paper towel tubes in my little cheapo greenhouse. Very proud of those, and they're the same as these. That's just a succession planting. More marigolds. Did some video here on these stackable Dollar Tree compartments. I got some green beans growing up this. Here I've got some chives, rosemary, and thyme. More of those paintbrush, I think they're paint stroke violas. Started them from seed, again in egg cartons in the actual greenhouse. Same melons, just succession planting is what I said. Again, over here they look fantastic. Look at all of this, you guys. I have had so much fun making things and decorating with these edible violas. Same family as pansy. There's Fiona back there. Here is our lemon. I did replant it out of our lemon pot. She's getting some nice little big ones there on her. Ignore the hose. These are generally cucumbers. Did a full video on these. These are such givers. Might want to watch that. Again, marigolds far surpassing the window. I have some mixed bell peppers here. Mixed meaning a bunch of different, it's a rainbow pack of colors. And look at my sunflowers back here. Please ignore the garden for a moment, or the grass. I like to participate in Nomo, May, June, and July. Look at that. Can you see that bee up there? These are Velvet Queen sunflowers. They're doing work next door. And here we have Firecatcher, Busy Bee. Citrus here has not bloomed for me yet. Teddy bear hasn't bloomed for me yet. Duh, you guys, I forgot to show you these impatiens. They are big and full and rounded. They look so great when I'm sitting here and I can see these out my bay window. They are gorge, especially in this perfectly patinaed wheelbarrow. Some nice weathered wood. I am getting tired of that welcome sign though. That might need to go. But they're doing so sensational for us. Loving them. Loving them. Don't underestimate impatiens. They give a lot of bang for their buck. You don't have to do much with them at all, especially under the shade. Barely need to water them here. Look at how well these 4th of July tomatoes did that we got from HOENS or HOENS. Are they not gorgeous? Ripening almost at the same time. love it because you do need a few to make a tomato sandwich. I'm gonna have some lovely salad. We got more growth happening up here. I just trim them, try and keep them in the cage, and just go. I did line them down here with some leaves to create a mulch, a weed barrier, and to do some water retention down here. And it's gonna add a little bit of carbon as well. So you guys, looking at my driveway, this wheelbarrow, this vinca that I got from the greenhouse, it did absolutely wonderful. Okay, but I really do miss how the impatiens look and how they will actually kind of mound, perfectly mound for me. I'm very much missing that. I do love how beautiful they are though. Like I said before, this one is my favorite one, favorite look and design. I just love that little hot pink eye in the middle. However, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to enjoy them, but next year I think I'll be starting my impatiens from seed in my little cheapo greenhouse. And with our 4th of July tomatoes, they have been fantastic for me all season. It's mid-September. I'm cutting them up. I got a few more over here and I'm gonna add them to a stir fry. Then I also have this boar's head blazing buffalo sauce, chicken sausage. Got some peppers and onions already in there, along with some zucchini. I'm gonna cold compost this in place when I'm done with my stir fry, but this is gonna add some nice tomatoey juice to it. 4th of July tomato and Jimmy Nardello are our big bursts of red in here. Fantastic, looks great, tastes great. It's full of veg. It has that fragrant jasmine rice, fluffy. It is nutrient dense, all organic from our garden. Excellent. The only thing that's missing is cutting up a few little garlic or onion chives. I find it easier if you just fold these 2-3 times and cut them over your plate rather than getting a cutting board. I don't want an additional cutting board. Guys, it is September 30th and these impatiens are still going strong. I want you to see this wheelbarrow and how much height these impatiens got under here. This is mainly all shade. I hardly ever have to water this. I really enjoy getting impatiens from HOENS. I don't think I've ever had to take anything back from there at all. So fantastic, you guys. I love how it's perfectly rounded, and that doesn't have anything to do with the greenhouse. That's the way that this flower goes, especially in a wheelbarrow container. Guys, I want to thank you so much for joining in. It is September 30th today. Just wanted you to see how well these 4th of Julys do for me each and every year, no matter if I get them from the greenhouse or if I start them from seeds myself. These are very comparable to the Campari tomatoes that you can get in the Kroger produce section. Also clearing out the rest of my tomatoes that I started from seed that I got from Baker Creek. My giant Belgium and my black Krim. Just cleaning it all out, guys. We had a fantastic garden season. I want to invite you to subscribe and to definitely watch me again. Definitely want to check out that greenhouse. My favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I invite you again to subscribe, as I have been gardening for over 40 years and have a lot to teach, show, grow, review, experiment with, and my favorite, a specific variety everything deep dive. So let's try new things together, mix it up, and have a glorious day.